Odisha's efforts towards containing and fighting the COVID-19 pandemic has garnered immense praise from the central government. It was the first state to implement a complete lockdown in all its major cities on March 12th and a state-wise lockdown one day before the nationwide lockdown on March 24th. During these extraordinary circumstances, several women in the state also came forward to lend their expertise and experience and provide solutions. One of these women is Dr. Sangamitra Patri, a scientist who, along with her colleague Dr. Jyotirmay Turuk, is involved in aggressive testing to detect cases in the Regional Medical Research Centre, which is Bhubaneswar's key COVID-19 testing centre. Additionally, premier health institutions in the state such as AIIMS Bhubaneswar and SCB Medical College Cuttack are headed by women, Dr. Gitanjali Batmanbane and Dr. Jayashree Mohanty. Along with their nursing staff, the doctors have been instrumental in converting these institutions into testing centers. While testing is taken care of by these exemplary women, there's another very important aspect of this fight, the treatment, which needs drugs and medical equipment. This has been taken care of by 2008 batch IAS officer Yamini Sarangi. She heads the Odisha State Medical Corporation as the MD in charge, which is procuring drugs and medical equipment. While the government officials are working hard to keep the state safe, the ground level workers are not far behind. Several SHGs, ASHA, Anganwadi workers and auxiliary nurse midwives have joined these efforts and are going from door to door to check up on people. In fact, 605 SHGs have made 15 lakh cotton masks so far. Also, to ensure that no one goes hungry, more than 6,000 women employees of Mission Shakti have been managing approximately 5,000 Gram Panchayat level free kitchen centers in collaboration with the local self-government of the state. Their efforts have provided cooked meals to 3.27 lakh people in Gram Panchayats and 25,000 people in 108 urban local bodies. While these are all excellent efforts to limit the spread of coronavirus within the state, the government could not ignore its boundaries. Lakhs of migrant workers were fighting their way to come back to their homes. This is where Anu Garg's expertise came in handy. The Principal Secretary of the State Labour Department has traced migrant workers from Odisha stuck across the country during the lockdown and has been coordinating with her counterparts in other states to ensure their well-being and safety across India. This is not a definite list. There are many more women across the state whose hard work is helping the state government. While many of us may not be on the front line of this fight, we can certainly do our bit by respecting the courage of the ones who are and stay at home.